If you opened your investing app this morning and nothing was moving, you're not alone. Millions of Americans are checking their portfolios right now, wondering the same thing. Is something wrong? Did the market crash overnight? No. Wall Street is simply closed today, and if you stick around for the next 7 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn this quiet Friday into your biggest investing advantage of the week. So why is the stock market closed today? Today is Good Friday, April 3rd, 2026. It's a Christian holiday observed across America the Friday before Easter Sunday. Easter this year falls on April 5th. Now here's what surprises most people. Good Friday is not a US federal holiday. The government is working today. Your mail is being delivered. Most banks are open. But the New York Stock Exchange, closed. Nasdaq, closed. Bond market, completely closed. This has been a Wall Street tradition since the 1800s. Good Friday is one of only 9 days per year that US markets shut down, and it's the only non-government holiday on that list. The next time you can trade Monday, April 6 to 9:30 a.m. Eastern. That gives you this entire weekend to prepare. Here's what happened while markets were open this week and what it means for your money Monday. Let's quickly recap what moved US markets this week. The Dow Jones closed Thursday at 46,504 points, slightly in the red. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq managed to close slightly positive. But make no mistake, it was a tense week on Wall Street. Two massive stories were driving everything. First, the Iran war. President Trump announced the US would hit Iran extremely hard within 2 to 3 weeks. The Strait of Hormuz, the waterway where 20% of the world's oil flows through, is now under threat. Oil prices jumped immediately. Energy stocks rose. Defense stocks rose. Airlines dropped. Consumer stocks fell. Second, SpaceX filed for the biggest IPO in stock market history. $1.75 trillion valuation. Space sector stocks surged across the board. Both of these stories will continue developing over this long weekend. And when markets open Monday, investors will react to everything they missed. Here are the 3 biggest stories developing right now while markets are closed. Story 1, Iran war and oil prices. This is the most important story for your money right now. Oil is trading around $111 per barrel. That's high, really high. Every time there's tension in the Middle East, energy prices spike, which means higher gas prices for Americans, higher costs for airlines, shipping, manufacturing, which pushes inflation up, which makes the Federal Reserve nervous. Watch energy stocks like ExxonMobil and Chevron when markets open Monday. Story 2, SpaceX IPO. Elon Musk's SpaceX filed confidentially for a stock market listing targeting a $1.75 trillion valuation. That would make it the biggest IPO in history, bigger than Alibaba, bigger than Facebook. Space sector stocks already surged this week. Rocket Lab, Intuitive Machines, Planet Labs, all moved higher on the news. The official IPO is targeting June 2026. Between now and then, every update will move space sector stocks. Research this weekend. Position before the crowd. Story 3, NASA Artemis 2. 4 American astronauts are flying around the moon right now as you watch this video. It's the first crewed lunar mission in 53 years. Boeing built the rocket $23 billion contract. Lockheed built the spacecraft $20 billion. SpaceX won the lunar lander deal $2.9 billion. When this mission succeeds, aerospace stocks respond. Watch Boeing, Lockheed Martin, and Northrop Grumman. Now here is the real reason I made this video today. While most people are just enjoying the long weekend, smart investors are using these 3 days to get ahead. Number 1, review your portfolio with fresh eyes. No prices moving means no panic, no FOMO, no emotional decisions. Look at every position you hold and ask, would I buy this today if I didn't own it? If the answer is no, that's a position to reconsider. Number 2, research Monday's market movers. Iran war, SpaceX IPO, Artemis 2. Pick one of these stories and spend 30 minutes understanding it deeply. The investor who understands the story makes better decisions than the one just reacting to prices. Number 3, build your watch list for Monday. Write down 3 to 5 stocks you want to watch when markets open at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Monday. The first 30 minutes of Monday after a holiday are often the most volatile and the most dangerous for investors who aren't prepared. Number 4, check crypto if you want live markets. Unlike stocks, crypto never closes. Bitcoin and Ethereum are trading right now. If you want to see how markets feel about the Iran situation and the SpaceX IPO this weekend, crypto prices will give you a real-time signal. Number 5, improve your financial education. The single best investment you can make is in your own knowledge. Channels like this one exist for exactly that. Reason, subscribe, watch, learn. Every video is one step ahead of where you were. So here is your weekend summary. The stock market is closed today. Good Friday, April 3rd. NYSE and Nasdaq reopen Monday, April 6th. 3 stories to watch. Iran war and oil prices. SpaceX $1.75 trillion IPO. NASA Artemis 2 astronauts around the moon. 5 things to do. Review portfolio. Research one big story. Build your Monday watch list. Check crypto for signals. Keep learning every single day. The market is closed, but your preparation doesn't have to be. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you buying, holding, or selling Monday? Drop your answer below. I read every single comment. And if this video helped you, hit subscribe right now. See you Monday.